Oh, great. See, I'm locked in. I can't get out. What's in there? I'm stuck in my bedroom. Playing Super Granny. Okay. Could somebody tell me how to unlock doors? Please. Please, please. I am stuck. Sweat to death. I'm stuck. God. See down there. Oh, God. I'm stuck. Great, how am I gonna get out? I am stuck. I am honestly locked in my room. Comment, rate, subscribe. Now, try to get out. Hang on. Oh, please open the door. Oh, it's too thin to twist the knob thing. Oh, wait, have I got it? Have I got it? Oh, I thought I had it. I did. Whoopsie daisy. I kind of screwed that one up, didn't I? Oh, no. Please help me out, God. Ah. Okay, never mind. Wait, maybe there's a window. A way out the window. No. No window, no. Somebody help me how to pick blocks. Don't know, there's like some kind of spring right there and it's kind of like gone a bit wonky. I can't see. Goodbye, guys. Oh. Oh, this is just great, isn't it? It's just great. Oh, maybe Joseph locked me in. But I am locked in, honestly. No kidding, no joke. I'm locked in. Locked in my bedroom. Even if I'm a kid, I'm still locked in my bedroom. Gotta get some out. Okay. So, goodbye. I'm locked in my bedroom. See you.